So, you've seen those cute deals on Emily and David Vancouver, and you're wondering, is this boutique legit, or am I about to get scammed? Let's get real. I've dug into reviews, Reddit threads, and scam reports, and I'm here to spill the tea, because nobody wants their hard-earned money vanishing into the internet abyss. First, the origin story. Emily and David Vancouver claims they're a cozy local shop in Vancouver, retiring after 26 years. But, plot twist, customers have traced the business back to China, or sometimes Amsterdam. That Vancouver small business vibe? Total fiction. Now, about those dreamy product photos. They look great online, right? Turns out, a lot of those images are stolen from other brands or even whipped up by AI. And when the packages finally arrive, if they do, people are getting stuff so cheap and flimsy, they say it's thinner than a shower curtain. Sizing? All over the place. Then there's the dreaded return policy. They say sure, you can return it. But surprise, you have to ship it to China. That'll cost you more than your original order, and getting a refund. Basically impossible. Worse, if a store gets too many bad reviews, they just flip to a new name, like Olivia and James, Anderson Vancouver, or Lumina Vancouver. Same scam, fresh coat of paint. If you check Trustpilot or Reddit, you'll see wall-to-wall warnings. Total scam, no social media, fake address, and a sketchy retirement story designed to pressure you into buying. If you've already ordered, don't panic, but act fast. Contact your bank and file a chargeback. Don't bother paying for returns to China. They're counting on you to give up. And keep an eye on your card statements for any shady charges from similar companies. Bottom line, if it looks too good to be true, it probably is. Save your cash for shops that actually exist, and protect yourself from these online traps.